Bentley Raceway and Cable Management iModel workflow. First, I will show a PowerPoint slide with a functional model. So you see it is possible to work in, for example, OpenPlant Modeler or Bentley Substation and to export the data using an iModel. Next step will be the iModel import into BRCM and create in BRCM the detailed design. Then an iModel export to Bentley Navigator where an import again is possible. Here you see an example. It's a Bentley Substation model with equipment and also cables added in Substation. Same is possible using OpenPlant Modeler. And that model will be exported to iModel. And in the next step, I already started Bentley Raceway and Cable Management. And here an empty equipment drawing. Here I will add the exported iModel using the reference command and attach the created iModel as reference. If the reference is attached, in the next step it is possible to import the data from that reference file using the iModel import. It's possible to import data from Bentley Substation or Bentley OpenPlant Modeler. In the next step, it shows imported data here, for example, the cables and cable information, source ID and target IDs. I will import all that data into BRCM. And for visualization from the connection points, I will use here a small junction box from our equipment manager. That will insert the junction box to each cable connection point in the drawing. Better to see if I hide the reference file, you will see all the connection points with IDs listed and all the points are in the drawing. Next, you see here in the ID manager all the equipment symbols with a description and IDs. And next, I can open my Raceway drawing. I already prepared a Raceway drawing, so I created here the Raceway systems with standard Bentley Raceway cable management tools. And the next step is now to work in the routing drawing and to use the cable manager for the automatic routing. First is to connect all the cables to the equipment and then to start the automatic routing. And here you see it will route all the cables. After the cables are routed, it is possible to refresh the routing model and to check or to visualize the Raceway fill information. So in my example, you will see if I select a mid-voltage Raceway routing line, it shows detailed information about the fill and the spare, and also possible to show with details the cables connected to that Raceway system. In BSM Connect edition, it is also possible to create 3D cables as visualization. So it will add the cables to the drawing and show the cables in 3D from connection from to. So with start and source. Here was another visualization, better to see all the cables in the drawing. And for better visualization to show the cables on the Raceway system, I will also visualize the equipment and the Raceway model as reference attached. And so you will see the cables inside the Raceway system. Here with same colors or different colors, that's standard settings. And so again, you see here, for example, that mid-voltage cable tray with the mid-voltage cables. Next possibility is to, again, publish that iModel and export the iModel. And next to start the, for example, Bentley Navigator. Here it is possible now to open that exported iModel. And it will show the raceways, the equipments, and also the cable in that Bentley Navigator. And if I select one of the parts here, for example, a Raceway system, it will show in the Raceway item and the information which Raceway ID we have, which Raceway type it is. Here you see OBO cable ladder LG110 and also the voltage level and other settings. If I select a cable, it will show the cable information. So we see here, it will show the cable ID, cable type, source ID, target ID, so where it is connected, the voltage level were important, and the length from that cable, and additional information in the lower part of that information dialog.